How's it going, RC drivers? I've got some exciting news I gotta share with you. I'm officially headed to Arrmageddon 2024, and I'm inviting you to come and bash with me. This is a new Horizon hobby event. They've already got the 2 Axial Fest, they got Proline by the Fire, and now they have something for Arrma fans. This is gonna be totally epic. It's gonna be held at Cletus McFarland's Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida, the massive YouTubers complex, and this is just gonna be exciting. Let me tell you about some of the events that they got going on. They got speed runs, a long jump, freestyle, drag racing, tug of war, a basher pit, Freedom Factory fast lap. I think we're gonna go around the big oval there, Grom Dash for cash, out and back race, Arrma 2-man challenge, which they won't tell me what it's about. They just said it's gonna be a lot of fun. Last man standing, some mini events. This is just gonna be very cool. Obviously, it's all just for Arrma vehicles. You could build up your Arrma trucks however you want, as long as the parts were intended for Arrmas. Now, to get into the event, I've got a special coupon code. You can use the code DRIVER at checkout. I'll have links in the video description below, and that's gonna save you $15 on your entry fee. With your entry fee, it sounds like you get a free t-shirt as well, so that's very cool. Now, I'm obviously gonna bring some trucks to bash with me, and I kinda need your help. I'm gonna bring the Big Rock 6S and the Granite 3S, and I wanna know from you how I should build these up for the event. Should I change out the tires, electronics, get any aftermarket parts? Let me know your suggestions in the comments below. And once I read through all the comments, I'm gonna build these trucks up with some of your suggestions. Now, here's the really cool part. If you're attending the event, I'm gonna give these 2 trucks away to two lucky participants. All you have to do to enter when you're there is find me and say, hey, RC driver, give me a ticket, and I will give you a ticket to enter the drawing to win these. Probably at the end of the event, and I'll do my best not to bash them up too hard. This is gonna be so much fun. I'll do a follow-up video so you guys can see how the trucks are built up. And if you need additional information about the event, I'll again have it in the video description below. I hope to see you there.